Today, we are going to work with RDW, focusing on our math drawings again. Just like yesterday, you're going to glue the problem of the day at the top of your journal, draw a vertical line down the middle, and a vertical line across the middle. Pause the video to get your journal ready. Great job, friends. Let's read. There are 8 flowers in the garden. Some are sunflowers, some are roses. This time today, it's not telling me a color to use. So when you do your math drawings, you can choose the colors, or you could choose to have some left white and some colored in. But when you do your math drawings, they need to be in 5 groups. Once you have 5 in a row, you need to go down to the next, just like a 10 frame. So I know 8. That is 5 and 3 more. Once you have your math drawing, you're going to write your number sentence that shows how many are sunflowers and how many are roses. You're going to do this 4 times. So you're going to show this problem 4 different ways. Then take a picture on Seesaw.